Okay, example number 2. Example number 2, x is equals to 3t cube plus 2t square plus t plus of 4. Find acceleration at t is equals to 1 second. Differentiate this 2 times, you will get acceleration. Substitute the value of t, you will get the answer. Okay, shall I? So v is nothing but dx upon dt, and d 3t cube plus of 2t square plus of t plus of 4 upon dt. So v can be written as 39t square plus of 4t plus of 1. Similarly, differentiating again one more time, so acceleration is nothing but dv upon dt, and differentiation of 9t square plus 4t plus of 1. So acceleration is 18t plus of 4. Given time period t is equals to 1 second, substituting t is equals to 1 second, then acceleration becomes 18 into 1 plus of 4. So acceleration is equals to 18 plus 4, 22 meter per square second. How many of you got this answer? Yes, very good. Okay, example number 3. A is given 3t square plus of 2t plus of 4. Find x is equals, find x at t equals to 1 second. Okay, shall I now? So acceleration is nothing but dv upon dt, na? Or this can be written as dv is equals to a dt. Integrating this, I will be getting what? Velocity. So velocity is equals to integration of 3t square plus of 2t plus of 4, or velocity is equals to, this becomes 3t cube upon 3 plus of 2t square upon 2 plus of 4t. 3, this 2 get cancelled. So v is equals to t cube upon plus 2, sorry, t cube plus t square plus of 4t. This is your velocity, and v is equals to dx upon dt. Can I write like this? And dx from here can be written as v dt. Integrating this, I will be getting what? Displacement. And displacement x is equals to v t cube plus t square plus of 4t, or x is equals to t to the power of 4 upon 4 plus of t cube upon 3 plus of 4t square upon 2. 2 get cancelled. Left out is 2. Or x is equals to, t value is 1. Substituting the value of t, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 into 1, 2. LCM will be 12, so this becomes 3, this becomes 4, plus this becomes how much? 12. So 12, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 19 by 12. X is equals to 19 by 12 meters. Okay, shall I now? Shall we move to next level? Okay, then write down a question. X is equals to 2t square minus 8t plus of 4. X is equals to 2t square minus of 8t plus of 4. Find in that first question, find first question, acceleration when velocity is equals to 0. Find acceleration when velocity is equals to 0. Then second question, velocity and acceleration at t is equals to 4 seconds. Then third, initial velocity. Third is what? Initial velocity. Now, everyone close the book and just listen to me. Here is the question. X is given, they are asking what? Acceleration, velocity, then acceleration at t is equals to 4 seconds and initial velocity. So, x is what? 2t square minus of 8t plus of 4. Can I find v? So, v is differentiating this. And then this becomes v is equals to 4t minus of 8. Then acceleration is equals to dv upon dt, and this can be written as only 4. Okay. Now, to find the first question, he is asking acceleration when velocity becomes 0. That means I have to equate this value with 0. Okay. So, v is what? v is equals to 4t minus of 8. This should be equal to what? 0. That means 4t minus of 8 is equals to 0, or t is equals to 2 seconds. We need to calculate acceleration at t is equals to 2 seconds. But in this question we got acceleration is how much? 4 meter per square second. Now this acceleration is constant. This acceleration is what? Constant. We can't do anything. We cannot substitute that time. Now similarly, we can find a second answer, that is velocity and acceleration at t is equals to 4 seconds. Yes. So v is equals to at 4 seconds. V value is what? V is equals to 4t minus of 8, or v is equals to 4 into time period is how much? 4 minus of 8. V is equals to 16 minus of 8, or v is equals to 8 meter per second. And the last question, that is what? Third question. Finding u, initial velocity u. Whenever they ask you to find initial velocity, always substitute t is equals to 0. In which equation? Velocity equation. So v is what? 4t minus of 8, or v is equals to 4 into 0 minus of 8. So v is equals to minus 8 meter per second. This is your initial velocity. Okay, and this is the velocity at t is equals to what? 4 seconds. Acceleration is constant. We can't do anything right now. Okay, shall I? Example number 2. X is equals to t cube minus 60 square plus of 3t plus of 4. Find v when a is 0 this time. First question. Second question, v and a कितना time लो रहे हैं? What should I take the time? 4 seconds. So at t is equals to 4 seconds, and third question is u is equals to question mark. Come on, try this answer. Okay, shall I? So let's write the given things. X is equals to t cube minus of 60 square plus of 3t plus of 4, and v can be written as from here 3t square minus of 12t plus of 3, and acceleration can be written as from here 60 minus of 12. Okay, these are the values what we got. And what was the first answer? Acceleration should be 0. So acceleration should be 0 means a is equals to 60 minus of 12, and this should be equal to what? 0. So t is equals to 2 seconds. Velocity at t is equals to 2 seconds. That means substituting the value of t in this equation. So v is equals to 3t square minus of 12t plus of 3. So v is equals to 2, t is equals to 2 seconds na. So 3 2 square minus of 12 into 2 plus of 3. 4 3s are 12 minus of 24 plus of 3, that means minus 9. Yes, minus 9. कैसा है बोले तो minus 12 plus of 3, that is equals to minus 9 meter per second. How many of you got minus 9 meter per second? Okay, very good. Then what was the next question? V and A at t is equals to 4 seconds. Substituting t is equals to 4 seconds here and t is equals to 4 seconds here. So V is equals to 4 square minus of 12 into 4 plus of 3, or V is equals to 4 square 16, 16 3 is a 48, minus of 48 plus of 3, this get cancelled. V is equals to 3 meter per second. And let's find A at 4. So A is equals to 6 into 4 minus of 12, or A is equals to 24 minus of 12, that is 12 meter per square second. So first, then this answer. Anything else? Answer number 3. Answer number 3, substituting t is equals to 0. So if I substitute t is equals to 0, इसको कहाँ लिखो रे? Shall I rub the question? Okay, substituting t is equals to 0, so V is equals to 3t square minus of 12t plus of 3, t is equals to 0, so V is equals to 3 meter per second. Example number, whatever it may be, chalo. Okay, now listen to me. Last 2 questions we have done either on the basis of x is a function of time t or v as a function of time t na. But now we will move to v as a function of x. Okay, v as a function of x. Now, so a is equals to, or v is equals to, let's write a question, v is equals to x square. V is equals to x square. V is equals to x square. Find acceleration at t is equals to 2 seconds. So question is given like this: V is equals to x square. A is equals to question mark at x is equals to 2 meters. Now listen to me. How to find that acceleration? So we are having an equation like this: A is equals to V dV upon dx. Na? Do we have the value of A? We don't have. But do we have the value of V? Yes. So A is equals to, V is nothing but x square, d of x square upon dx. Can I write like this? Okay, now. So A is equals to x square into this differentiation becomes 2x. Or A is equals to, can I write 2x cube, or x value is given 2 meter, or A is equals to 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, that is 16 meter per square second. Got my point? Similarly, do one. Given V is equals to x to the power of 2x cube, find A, and x is equals to 1 meter. Okay, shall I? So V is given, A is equals to V dV upon dx, and A is equals to, V is 2x cube, or derivative of 2x cube dx. So A is equals to 2x cube as it is. This becomes 6x square, and x value is how much? 1. So A is equals to 2 into 6, that is 12 meter per square second. How many of you didn't got this answer? Okay, shall I? And the next question is, A is given, A is equals to 3x square. Find V as a function of x, V as a function of x, and At t is equals to 0, x is equals to 0. At t is equals to what? 0, x is equals to 0, v is also 0. So x is equals to 0, comma, v is also 0. Okay, shall I now? Now listen to me, I will do one, you have to try the next one. Now, first thing, v as a function of x is clearly given. That means a is nothing but v dv upon dx. Okay, a is given, how much? 3x square, which is equals to v dv upon dx. Okay, now, can I take over here? So this can be written as 3x square dx, which is equals to v dv. Okay, integrating this, and this is also, we are integrating. At x is equals to 0, v is how much? 0. At x is equals to x, we don't know v. So all we need to find that v. Okay, if I integrate this, then that becomes how much? 3x cube upon 3, which is equals to, this becomes v square upon 2, and v, 0 is the limit, so no need to write the limits. Okay, now, can I cancel this 3 and 3? And v square can be written as 2x cube, or v is equals to under the root of 2x cube. Answer over. Okay, shall I? A is equals to 4x cube. Find v as a function of x when x is equals to 0, v is equals to 0. Come on, be quick. Okay, shall I? Again, a is equals to v dv upon dx, or a is given 4x cube, this can be written as dx, and v dv. Can I write like this? Okay, and integrating this, this becomes 4x to the power of 4 upon 4, which is equals to, this becomes v square by 2. 4 get cancelled. So v is nothing but 2x to the power of 4 to the power 1 by 2. Or time pass karo. Okay, write down the next question, next example, and given that a is equals to 1 upon 2v, a is equals to 1 upon 2v, find velocity at time t. Find velocity at time t. Stop. If at t is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, and u is equals to 2 meter per second. Okay. First tell me, v is a function of x or v is a function of t? Very good. V is a function of t this time. Why? Because we are finding at time t. Okay. Now, if v is a function of t, then acceleration can be written as dv upon dt. Na? Acceleration can be written as dv upon dt. What is the acceleration value? 1 upon 2v. So 1 upon 2v is equals to dv upon dt. Can I write like this? Or dt can be written as 2v dv. 2v dv. Now, integrating, differentiating, what to do now? At t is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, and u is equals to 2. So, at t is equals to, and v is equals to. At t is equals to 0, what is velocity? 2. At t is equals to 2, we don't know what is the velocity. Let it may be v. Now, so this becomes t. So t is equals to, and this value becomes 2v, means 2v square upon 2, and the limits are v to 2. Okay, solving this, you will get the answer. Simple. So t is equals to v square minus of 4, or v square is equals to t plus of 4, or v is equals to t plus of 4 to the power 1 by 2 over. Okay, shall I? A is given this time 1 upon 3v, and find the velocity at position x. Question remains same. Now v is a function of x or v is a function of t? V is a function of x. If v is a function of x, then this can be written as a is equals to v dv upon dx. Can I write like this? Okay, now a is given 1 upon 3v, which is equals to v dv upon dx, or dx can be written as this, and this can be multiplied, so 3v square dv. Integrating this at x is equals to 0, u is t, at x is equals to x, we don't know v. So now, अबे तुमको समझ में आ रहा है ना? हाँ, बस इतना ही चाहिए. So at d this becomes x, x is equals to, differentiate this, so 3v cube upon 3 to the limit v and 0, sorry 2. So x is equals to, this 3 and 3 get cancelled, v cube minus of, this becomes 8, or what we are finding? We are finding v na. So v cube is equals to x plus of 8, or v is equals to x plus of 8 to the power 1 by 3. Do I need to do more time pass on these questions? No, na? Enough? Okay. Okay, shall I? Now we already know that v is nothing but vx I cap plus vy j cap plus vz k cap, na? And acceleration is what? Acceleration is nothing but dv upon dt, or can I write over here vx I cap plus of vy j cap plus of vz k cap upon dt. So this will be becoming what? Accelerations now. So acceleration is equals to what? Ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Okay, now write on this first. Okay, next question is given like this: r is equals to 2t square I cap plus t square j cap. Find acceleration at t is equals to 2 seconds. Shall I? Okay, now same method, everything is same, only this thing is represented now in I cap j caps, that's it. Okay, now velocity is nothing but dr upon dt. Can I write like this? Or velocity dash, shall I write directly? So v is becoming, v is equals to, this becomes 4t plus of 1 I cap plus of 2t j cap. Can I? Or acceleration can be written as 4i cap plus 2 j cap. So I can't do anything with the time. Why? Because acceleration is what? Constant in this.